Welcome to this week's Take 5. Braddock Middle School is putting on Singing in the Rain, and there's one more weekend of performances. And so on Friday and Saturday of this week, the performance is at 7 o'clock, and then Sunday of this week, it'll be at, the matinee will be at 2 o'clock. So make sure you go out and support Braddock and see a performance of Singing in the Rain. The Board of Education will have its February meeting on February the 11th on Monday night, note the change, and that'll be at 6 o'clock p.m. at Mountain Ridge High School. February is recognizing Black History Month and also Career and Technology Education Month. The Maryland State Department of Education Special Education Parent Involvement Survey is online and will be accessible for people to give their responses until May the 17th. So if you have a child who receives special education services, please be on the lookout for information to complete that online survey, and please take the time to provide that information so we can better serve our students with the information. There's still room in the ACES program, and that's a program that's in cooperation with our Chamber of Commerce, and teachers can earn recertification points at no cost. If you're interested, please contact Dr. George Brown by February the 13th deadline. We're excited to announce that Maryland, as a state, was fourth in the nation in the number of seniors that score 3 or higher on AP or advanced placement tests. That's 31.6% of our students. The Wellness Revolution, Resolution Revolution is still going on and will go on until February the 15th. So if you are participating in that, please make sure you enter your data so that your team gets credit for all the great work that you're doing. The biometric screening reservations are online now, so make sure that you go on and you check that and look for the date that's going to be happening. I want to say congratulations to Harry Morgan, who was our fitness trivia winner last week, and Harry answered our Heart Healthy question as we recognized February as Heart Health Awareness Month. The question was, when was the first open heart surgery and who was the doctor that performed it? And so Harry correctly answered that question, and which is the first open heart surgery successful was in 1893, and it was performed by Daniel Hale Williams, who was one of the few black cardiologists in the United States at that time. So the first successful open heart surgery was performed in 1893 by a black cardiologist. So continuing with our theme of Heart Healthy Month, we're giving away one of these really nice Philips Sonicare toothbrushes, and so pay attention to the question. Submit your answers to Mia Cross at mia.cross@acpsmd.org by the end of the day on Friday, and if you answer the questions correctly, all those people with correct answers will be put into a random drawing for this toothbrush. So the question is a two-parter, and it has to do with heart attacks. And so what day of the week do most heart attacks happen on? On what day of the week? And then the second part of that is what holiday has the most heart attacks recorded. So what day of the week, and then what holiday do most heart attacks happen? And please submit your answers to this question to Mia, and then we will announce the winner next week. So everybody stay safe. We're glad that the weather has warmed up just a little bit and we don't have as much snow. So stay safe out there, and until next time, this is your Superintendent David Cox for the Take 5.